Opo, may bagong pork barrel. Yan ang nadiskubre ni Congressman Egay Irice. Dati, diniklara na ito ng Supreme Court bilang unconstitutional. Pero inuulit at niluluto na naman ng mga kongresista diyan sa budget deliberation sa House of Representatives. O ito sabay-sabay na nating panoorin kung paano nila gagawin yan.
We now recognize from the minority the Honorable Edgar Erice.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Madam Chair. And good afternoon to the Ched family. Secretary Agripis, good afternoon. Republic Act 10687, the Unifast Act, requires equity in the distribution of student assistance. It defines rationalized access as including increased participation of economically disadvantaged and marginalized sectors and equity in the distribution of economic resources. Paano nyo po, and this is your mandate, it's your constitutional mandate, paano nyo po dinidistribute yung inyong tulong-dunong program?
The Tulong-Dunong Program, paano i-distribute ang mga tulong-dunong allocations?
In compliance with the essence of the law.
All right. Let me just. The Tulong-Dunong Program is usually supported by an allocation put in by the representatives themselves.
Well, in this process, parang ano po to? Pork barrel? Ganon? This will be unconstitutional. There's already a Supreme Court ruling. Kasi po, maliwanag dito paano magiging equitable kung ang magdedetermine ng beneficiaries, mga politicians?
Chair declares a suspension.
Hindi talaga matututo tong mga congressman no? Gagawa talaga sila ng paraan para ubusin yung pera ng taong bayan. Parang pinanindigan na nila yung kasabihan na kapag gusto, maraming paraan at kapag nabuking, wala nang alam.